So we're watching Simone Biles in the floor finals at the Rio 2016 Olympics. This is her last time performing this routine. So to start off, the scores are done in a pretty straightforward way. So there's 10 points for basically the way in which they perform it, how well they perform it, and there's an extra score added on for how difficult the routine is. Simone has the highest difficulty out of all the competitors. That last pass was a laid out double twisting somersault, which no one is performing in the world right now. This next pass is called the Biles. It's named after her. So it's a double back. It's a double back laid out somersault with a half twist in the end. She's the first person to ever perform it. So this middle section where she's doing turns and leaps, it's just as important as any of her tumbling runs and is a big part of her score. With the leaps, they're looking for about 180 degrees, and if anything's a little lower, the judges will take points away. This next pass is a double-double. This pass is usually the first pass done by most gymnasts when their legs are still pretty new and fresh. So this just says a lot about just how spectacular she is as a gymnast. This last pass is similar to the pass before, but is going to have just one twist instead of two. A little bit easier at the end. She does kind of sway on her landing there. She'll probably get about a 1/10 of a point off. And that is that gold-winning performance by Simone Biles at the 2016 Olympics.